Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is May the 2nd, 2026, and we're looking at one of our macadamia nut trees. Okay, so we had some intense freezes this year, and we are located on the border of zones 9A and 10B. And this is an evergreen, this macadamia tree. So it seems to have handled the freezes extremely well. Only thing I noticed is when the pistils came out, after the freezes, these things right here, the flowers, the flower sacs in the pods, after the freezes, they just completely shriveled up and dried, and now they're dead essentially. But the bulk of these trees are still alive and well. So we're just not going to get a yield this year. However, we do know that we are able to produce now in regard to these specific macadamia trees. This one over here on this side of the property is doing the best. We have two other locations. I'm just going to skip those for this video because I have a lot to cover on this property here today. But going forward, I just want to continue to document the progress of these macadamia nut trees. They seem to be doing really well at this location in Florida. It mimics the Australian climate, so that's their native country essentially. And we've got the sugar sand. We don't have any fertilizers or none of that stuff. No insecticides, nothing. And they seem to be doing extremely well. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel grow, and stay tuned because I want to keep you updated on the progress of our macadamia trees. Have a great day.